This video takes a careful and realistic look at the Snugglewarm HeatHug Blanket in 2025. A heat blanket that has been gaining attention online and raising one important question for buyers. Does it actually work as claimed, or is it just another overhyped product? The Snugglewarm HeatHug Blanket is marketed as a solution for warmth and comfort, especially during cold weather, promising a cozy experience without needing heavy heating systems. Based on how the product performs, the blanket does generate warmth, but the level of heat is moderate rather than intense, meaning expectations need to be realistic from the start. It can help take the edge off cold conditions, but it should not be viewed as a replacement for room heaters or extreme cold protection. Comfort-wise, the blanket feels soft enough for regular use, though the overall material quality appears average and not particularly premium. Another aspect worth noting is the website snugglewarm.com, which uses strong promotional language, discounts, and urgency-based offers, a common tactic among trending online products in 2025. While this does not automatically mean the product is fake, it does mean buyers should be cautious and avoid impulse purchases. Calling the Snugglewarm HeatHug Blanket a complete scam would not be accurate, but labeling it as a revolutionary heat solution would also be misleading. It sits somewhere in the middle, offering basic warmth and comfort with limitations that are not always clearly stated in advertisements. If you are considering this heat blanket, understanding what it realistically delivers can help you make a better decision and avoid disappointment. Watching till the end of this review can help you decide whether the Snugglewarm HeatHug Blanket fits your needs or whether it's better to pass on it in 2025.